18 now, and Matt Gontarek, we'll send it over to you now, and hopefully things are going to be looking pretty good for today.
Yeah, we are drying out this afternoon. A few chances for some mountain showers to the north and into Lincoln County, but for the most part, we're looking at sunshine for the rest of the morning and a few bubbly clouds in the afternoon, but real no rain chances out of those clouds for the Las Vegas Valley later on today. 74 degrees, the current temperature, south-southwest wind at 5 miles per hour, and the rest of your day planner, a few clouds out there at 6, 7 o'clock, and then clearing things out for the late morning hours. We're up to 87 degrees by 10 a.m. We're on our way up to about 96 today for a high temperature. The only difference between yesterday and today is actually be the increasing wind that we'll see out of the southwest. Wind gusts anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour in the far west valley. Could get up to about 35. We'll time out those winds coming up in the next slide. 94 degrees, the forecast high in Centennial Hills, 97 for North Las Vegas Airport, 96 in Southern Highlands, Green Valley Ranch at 97, Anthem Hills at 94, and we are close to 100 degrees at Lake Las Vegas. So future track, calmer winds this morning. We're seeing the single digits out there. By the time we get to the afternoon, around lunchtime, you'll notice the southwest wind picking up. Wind gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour area wide. Eliante up to about 25 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts. And then by tonight, the Las Vegas Valley mainly calm, but the far west valley about 9, 10 o'clock Tuesday. Still looking at some pretty good gusts out there. Calmer wind to start off your Wednesday morning. By Wednesday afternoon, we're right back where we left off with those 20s and 30s out there. A few sub 40s off towards the far west valley Wednesday night, and also looking at a gustier day on Thursday as well. It's all due to this system up towards Canada. You can kind of see that counterclockwise spin around the area of low pressure, bringing in that strong southwest wind and drier air. It's wrapping in from the north. So really rain chances this week looking very minimal across the area. Just a few sprinkles for Lee Canyon, Mount Charleston today. Most of the action does stay well north of the valley for the afternoon. You can see a few pop-up showers near Coyote Springs. Moving into Lincoln County, that's where most of the moisture is and will stay over the next several days. So even by Wednesday, looking at a very dry pattern. Sunshine's back in the forecast, and rain chances really not even in the 7-day forecast. Stays into California and well north of the Las Vegas Valley. We're just dealing with some gusty wind. That leads us to our Fox Eye weather calendar over the next 2 weeks, alerting you of most impactful weather on the way Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week, alerting you of the gustier wind that's beginning to arrive for the afternoons. Now Friday, Saturday, and Sunday into Memorial Day weekend, not looking at any alert days, not really seeing impactful weather, just on the breezier side of things Friday. Also a little breeze over the weekend in that last week of May, early June. Looking pretty good. Weather pattern really doesn't change too much. So we're looking at just some windier and breezier days for the next couple. 7-day forecast, 96 degrees. We should be around 91 for this time of year, and really beginning to dry out this week. May and June. June being our driest month out of the year for Las Vegas. So I'm not going to expect much out of the upcoming month of June. 95 on Wednesday, 92 for Thursday, and we're holding the breezes pretty steady Thursday and Friday to end the work week. 90 degrees on Friday before things look near seasonable temperatures heading into Memorial Day weekend and for the holiday next Monday. Fox 9 News this morning will continue right after the break.